Okay, in this video we're going to quickly talk about the difference between an observational study and an experiment. So in an observational study, we observe and record. So these could be specific characteristics, but we don't attempt to change the subjects being studied. So examples of an observational study, any type of survey. Sorry, that jumped. Any type of survey where you're just asking people for their opinions, but you're not doing anything. When you're just taking measurements, but you're not doing anything that would influence those measurements, those would be observational studies. So another example, it says, in a research poll, 1,007 adults were called up after their telephone numbers were randomly generated by a computer, and 85% of the respondents were able to correctly identify what Twitter is. Okay, so that's just a survey. You're just asking people something. You're not, I don't know, doing it after they saw a commercial. If you had them watch a commercial and then say what Twitter was, that would no longer be observational because you had done something before you asked them the question. And in the experiment, as we've kind of alluded to, we apply some sort of treatment and then observe the effects on the subjects. So an example, in a clinical trial of the cholesterol drug Lipitor, 188 subjects were given 20 milligram doses of the drug, and 3.7% of them experienced nausea. So in an experiment, you have a treatment group, and then you also need to have a control group so that you know that it's not just 3.7% of people who always experience nausea no matter what. But in an experiment, you're doing something, whether here it's giving them a drug, to see if that changes what happens.